stop scrolling. If you've ever dreamed of living that lake life but without having that high price tag, this is the home for you. And get this, the HOA gives you exclusive access to the lake with a private boat ramp, a private beach, and access all year long to the canal. It's like having an adult summer camp. Nestled on a cul-de-sac, this home sits on half an acre. Translation, tons of space from neighbors, let the dogs run, let the kids roam, build that pool you've been wanting. This just might be your dream home. And this front porch, it's perfect for days like today. All I'm missing is just a nice cold cup of sweet tea. And inside we have all the cozy vibes. Hello, wood-burning fireplace. And imagine curling up here on this cozy couch watching Netflix or scrolling for hours on TikTok. No judgment. Now let's talk kitchen goals, because this one is fully loaded with high-end appliances, beautiful finishes, tall windows that let in lots of light for you to enjoy your morning coffee. It's a dream. Plenty of room for kids, guests, or that I swear I'm gonna work out home gym. We all have one, so no shame. Downstairs, you get 3 spacious bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. But this is where the magic happens. Come and step up with me. The entire second floor is a full private primary suite just for you to enjoy. And this is the creme de la creme. This bathroom has been remodeled with impeccable taste. You're gonna feel like it's a spa in here. Soaker tub, check. Beautiful glass shower, check. His and her closets, check. And let's be honest, because one of you is definitely taking up more space. This bonus room includes another fireplace, plus sliding doors out to a second floor balcony. And this bonus room, it's a game changer. It's a massive family room upstairs. Movie nights, game nights, and let's be honest, some mommy alone time nights happen in here. And this home just keeps on going with this beautiful, huge 2-story balcony. And this backyard is huge. Room to grill, room to enjoy, room to barbecue, and just to relax after a long day. So let's be real, this home is the entire package. Location, space, upgrades, direct access to the lake. So if you want to take a tour of this home, call me, message me, send me a carrier pigeon, but don't let anyone else beat you to it.